Welcome to the Sticky Art channel. In this video I'm going to show step by step how to make an endless card, also known as the infinity fold card.
But how?
To do this, all you need are some simple household art supplies. Got 4 pieces of paper cut into squares, scissors, pencil, and some glue or a glue stick. So the first step in making an infinity card is drawing the 4 images on each of the 4 sheets of paper. It's important to keep in mind that 2 of the cards will be cut vertically up and down, and then the other 2 will be cut horizontally, left to right. After you have finished all 4 drawings, you'll want to fold each of the 4 pieces of paper into 8 equal squares. The easiest way to do this is to fold each of the sheets directly in half. Make sure to align the 4 corners and to press down using your nail to make sure that the actual fold is scored. Then go back on the other way. This will give you 4 equal squares. Next you'll want to fold the corner into the center fold. This will give you an additional 2 folds, and you'll repeat this process on the other side. After doing this, you will have 8 equal squares, and the center should fold right into each other so they kind of touch. Go ahead and repeat this with all 4 sheets of paper. The next step is to cut all 4 sheets in half. Keep in mind 2 get cut vertically up and down, the other get cut horizontally. And if you're doing a sequence of cards in order, you'll want to make sure that you alternate going vertical and horizontal. So your first image would be vertical, your second horizontal, third vertical, fourth horizontal. Lastly, we're going to go ahead and assemble everything with some glue. Final step is to assemble the infinity card using some glue. So you want to take a horizontal card and flip the bottom piece over and the top piece over, keeping them in their top and bottom. Then draw some X's on each of the corners. This is where you're going to be placing the glue. Now make sure to get the glue just on those 4 corners. Don't go into any of the other squares. I made sure to spread out the glue so it glued extra nice and clean. Now take the bottom part of your second image and glue it to the bottom part, and then the top to the top. Once the glue is dried a little bit, go ahead and fold the inside flaps out of the second card and draw X's on the inside square, 4 squares, and the 4 corners. I'm going to follow the process of putting the glue on the X's only and not hitting any of those outer squares. The next card will be one of the horizontal cut cards, cut left to right. And I'm making sure to line all the corners up and kind of move them around to make sure that they line up. Next, I'm going to take the center flaps and fold them upwards and downwards. This will be the last piece. This one we don't have to worry about X's. We're going to be putting glue on all of the squares on this side. Just make sure not to get glue on the other side, but all 4 squares on the center as well as the other squares. And then the last vertical piece will go on both left and right side. Once this is glued and dried, you have completed an infinity card. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button, as well as comment below. Let me know what you think. And if you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button, as well as hit the bell for notifications for when I release the newest videos. Until next time, peace.